Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn Standard 9th English Bridge Course Activity 10. Students, paragraph writing or essay writing is a challenge before us while writing exams. Why so? What we have to do to develop writing skills? While writing essays, essay prompts or guideline questions are given. This topic helps you to write an essay on the given topics with the help of given questions. Read the questions carefully. Answer each question on your own to make first draft of your essay. Then write all the answers together in a paragraph to see that your essay is ready. Let's begin with learning activity. See, the questions are given here. Do you like to play or watch the games? Which games do you like to play? What are some of your local games? Who is your favorite sportsman? What games are played in the Olympics? What is the theme of all above questions? You have to answer all these questions on your own. Means you have to write whether you like to watch the games. Then name the games which you like to play. What are some of our local games? स्थानिक तौर पर खेले जाने वाले खेल कौन से हैं? कुछ खेलों के नाम लिखना है. आपके फेवरेट खिलाड़ी का नाम लिखना है. उसके बाद ओलंपिक्स गेम्स को एनलिस्ट करना है. और यह सारी जानकारी लिखते हुए हमारे पास जो इन्फॉर्मेशन रेडी हो रही है वह जब हम इकट्ठा लिखेंगे इन वन पैराग्राफ, इट इज एन essay on my favorite game. See here, I like to play cricket, but I like to watch football. I like to play kho-kho and kabaddi too. Marble, skipping, hopscotch, gilli danda, lagori, hide and seek are our local games. Every sentence is an answer to one of the question. My favorite sportsman is Virat Kohli. Weightlifting, shooting, hockey, running, jumping, baseball, tennis, wrestling games are played in the Olympics. A systematic information on games played in India. Like this, you can answer the given essay prompts and write the paragraph. Then practice activity. Read the following questions and write answers in together as a single paragraph. Suggest a suitable title to your writing. First of all, answer all these questions. Do you like to listen music? Yes. What type of songs do you listen? Romantic Hindi film songs. Who is your favorite singer? Neha Kakkar. Do you practice daily? No. When do you sing? Whenever I am happy or enjoying with my friends. Do practice rehearsal singing under the guidance of a guru or teacher or the guidance of guru or teacher? No. What is difference between folk music and classical music? Folk music is played by average people. Classical music is played by musicians and professionals. When we collect all these answers together in a paragraph, we get a short essay, My Hobby. See here. I sing songs whenever I get free time. I like to listen music and songs I like to listen romantic Hindi film songs. Neha Kakkar is my favorite singer. Almost all of her songs I have listened. I sing songs just for fun. I do not practice daily. Whenever I am happy and enjoy with my friends, I sing songs. I don't go to any music class to learn songs. I don't have any guru or a music teacher. Basically, there are two types of music, folk music and classical music. Common people enjoy folk songs while professional singers sing classical songs. In this way, we have to make use of simple words and construct short sentences while developing a paragraph. Then, a paragraph on animals. Which is your favorite animal? Which animal do you like? Wild or tame or domestic? Where do you find all animals? Do animals speak? How do you understand that they are not feeling well? Who gives treatment or medicine to the sick animal and birds? These are the questions, guidelines. If we answer all these questions one by one and write them together, we get a paragraph on domestic animals. There are a number of animals. Some of them are domestic or tame animals and other are wild animals. Animals which live with people are domestic or tame animals. The animals which live only in jungles are wild animals. Animals like dog, cat, goat, sheep, horse, cow, buffalo, donkeys are domestic animals. पालतू पशु है ना. Elephant, giraffe, zebra, tiger, lion, bear, wolf are wild animals. जंगली पशु. I like domestic animals as they are very useful to us. मुझे पालतू जानवर पसंद है क्योंकि वे हमारे बहुत उपयोगी होते हैं. Animals cannot speak like human beings, but still they can communicate their feelings of happiness, sorrow, joy and pain. प्राणी बोल नहीं पाते हैं, फिर भी वह अपनी भावनाएं व्यक्त कर सकते हैं. कैसे पता चलता है? It can be observed in their behavior. Whenever our pets fall ill, we take them to veterinary doctors. They are called vets. According to their illness, animals as well as the birds are treated. जब कभी यह पालतू पशु पक्षी बीमार हो जाते हैं, उन्हें हम पशु चिकित्सालय ले जाते हैं, वहाँ पर इनका इलाज किया जाता है. इस तरह से हमने फिर से एक पैराग्राफ डेवलप किया, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. Then a paragraph on festivals. Do you like to celebrate festivals? Why do you enjoy fairs and festivals? What are the different festivals in our state? And some more questions are here. See the answers to each question and then we are going to write a paragraph. I like to celebrate festivals. Celebrating festivals and going to fair give us great joy, happiness and enjoyment. फेस्टिवल्स का सेलिब्रेशन और किसी मेले में जाना, इससे हमें खुशी मिलती है और फन होता है एक तरह से. इसीलिए फेस्टिवल्स मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद आते हैं. आपके राज्य में कौन से फेस्टिवल्स मनाए जाते हैं? In Maharashtra, many festivals are celebrated like Diwali, Eid, Gudi Padwa, Makar Sankranti, Pola, Holi, रक्षा बंधन, दशहरा, नाग पंचमी और कई सारे फेस्टिवल्स हैं. कुछ नाम मैंने यहाँ लिखे हैं. देन फेस्टिवल्स और सीजन्स, इनके बीच कोई कोरिलेशन होता है क्या? अगर हाँ तो उसका एग्जाम्पल देना है. Yes, there is correlation between festivals and seasons. Pola festival is celebrated at the time of harvest season. This festival is celebrated in the honor and respect of bullocks as they work hard whole year to serve us. Do you know any festivals celebrated in other states? महाराष्ट्र से बाहर अदर स्टेट्स में मनाए जाने वाले त्योहार. In Punjab, they celebrate Baisakhi. In Rajasthan, there is a celebration of Teej and Gangaur. In Kerala, Onam is the main festival. It is also a harvest festival. In West Bengal, Durga Puja is the time of celebration. As we get holidays in Diwali, in West Bengal, there are holidays during Durga Puja. Which is your favorite festival and why? Diwali is my favorite festival. Diwali celebration is a great fun and enjoyment. We get special vacation for Diwali celebration. Diwali is the festival of light and happiness, so I like it very much. I have written answers to all the questions, and then if I write all these answers together, I get a paragraph on festivals. Read it. I like to celebrate festivals. Celebrating festivals and going to fair give us great joy, happiness and enjoyment. In Maharashtra, many festivals are celebrated like Diwali, Eid, Gudi Padwa, Makar Sankranti, Pola, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Dashera, Nag Panchami, etc. There is correlation between festivals and seasons. Pola festival is celebrated at the time of harvest season in the honor and respect of bullocks as they work hard in fields and serve human beings. In Punjab, they celebrate Baisakhi. In Rajasthan, there is a celebration of Teej and Gangaur. In Kerala, Onam is the main festival. In West Bengal, Durga Puja is the time of celebration. Diwali is my favorite festival. Diwali celebration is a great fun and enjoyment. We get special vacation for Diwali celebration. Diwali is the festival of light and happiness, so I like it very much. Festivals are part and parcel of our life. The complete paragraph on festivals is ready with the help of guidelines or essay prompts. My takeaway today. Today I learned how to write an essay with the help of essay prompts and then the steps of writing a paragraph. Students, make use of essay prompts, guidelines, questions, answer all the questions in your own words, construct short sentences and then write all the answers together. See that your paragraph on the given topic is ready. Be confident and repeat the activity now and then. Okay? How is the activity? Tell me in the comment box of the video. We shall meet with a new activity very soon. Thank you.